beauties, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be trying out a product that I have never used before. It is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. It says this is supposed to last for up to 3 days. What does it say? 3 easy steps. Apply in desired brow shape. Let dry for at least 20 minutes for up to 3-day wear. Let dry for 2 hours. Peel off inner to outer brow. That's all it says. Seems pretty straightforward. I got mine in the color dark brown. I haven't seen too many people talk about this. I'm kind of curious about it. So it just comes, this is the bottle that it comes in. I don't know if you're like supposed to shake it. What's the applicator? Has like this big brush on it. Not really big, but it's, yeah. I'm a little nervous, I can't lie. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna try it. I did have foundation and stuff on. I didn't have any eye makeup on. I just got off work, so I did want to even out my face for work. So I did just kind of wipe it off my eyebrow area. So if you can see spots where my foundation is gone, that is why. But without further ado, let's test this out. Okay, get you zoomed in a little bit. I'm just going to brush through my brows a little bit here with my spoolie. I hope I can get these to be the same shape as one another. I struggle with my eyebrows, making them look good. So I'm hoping this will help. Hopefully it doesn't stain my eyebrow ring there. Okay, just gonna give it a good shake. Hi guys. Okay guys, I'm a little nervous, but here goes nothing. I don't know how thick I'm supposed to put it on. I think I'm gonna leave that brow like that, and I'm going to make this one match. Whew, okay, they are on. Let me zoom you in and show you what it looks like. It looks a little scary. They're still not completely even, but I think I got them somewhat even. They look really dark, like, oh my goodness. Okay, I hope this works. I'm going to let it sit. I'm gonna try for the 2 hours that it says to have it last for 2 days. We'll see. It is 5:04 p.m. right now. I will check back in somewhere between an hour and 2 hours. I'll let you know. I'll show you the clock again. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, right. Not only did I wait, what, an hour, but I decided to throw on a little bit of makeup, change out of my dirty work clothes, you know, look a little more presentable. I want to see this look, the eyebrows with makeup anyway. It is now 6:02, so I left it on for an hour, not the 2 hours. This is what it looks like. It feels dry. I'm going to try to peel this off. I don't know which one to start with.
It's hard to kind of get hold of. Oh, now it's starting to come. Oh my goodness.
There is the product. There's my brow. Oh my goodness. Make sure I got no other pieces in there. Dudes, I'm impressed. Okay, let's get this other one off.
Well, this one's kind of breaking off. Here we go.
And I just want to scrape through it, make sure there's no extra little pieces. All right, I'm gonna brush these through quick with my spoolie. There's some more goop. Okay guys, I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. Look at this. I don't have to, and look, I can rub it. Nothing comes off. Like, I'm so excited. I hope it lasts a couple of days. If I can get away without having to do my brows every day, that would be amazing. I think I should have put a little smidge more right in here, but I can hit that with a pencil and be done with it. This side looks good. Seriously guys, I'm impressed. Let me know in the comments below what you think of how this product works. Is it something that you would pick up and try? Have you tried it already? Anyways, thanks so much for joining. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.